Student, today we are going to discuss about the branching instruction of 8085. Branch instruction in 8085. The branch instructions means it is referred to act as switching execution to a different instruction sequence as a result of executing a branch instruction. What is a branch instruction? Branch instruction is the switching execution of different instruction sequence. Suppose I have a program that it has a 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Suppose this is the 8 line of program. Now in a simple program, the execution done in a line by line. સાદા પ્રોગ્રામ જે આપણે ભણ્યા છીએ એની અંદર જે ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન એક્ઝિક્યુટ થાય છે એ લાઇન બાય લાઇન થાય છે. બટ if I want to execute after the number 6 line to the number 1, then I have to put here condition. અહીંયા શું મૂકવું પડશે? Condition મૂકવી પડશે કે if this is known as a jump. I want to jump. There is a two types of jumps. This is the backward. If the execution of program is going to the previous line, previous instruction, and if the execution is going to in the next line, then it is known as a forward jump. There is a two types of jumps are introduced in the branch instruction. One is the backward jump, another is the forward jump. Okay, so this is known as a jump and this is known as a branch instruction. Now there is a three types of branch instructions. Three types of branch instruction. The first is the jump. The first is the jump. There is a two types of jumps, unconditional and conditional. Okay, there is a two types of jumps. Second is the call. Call may be a two types of unconditional and conditional. And the third one is the return. Okay, return is used whenever we are jumping the instruction or calling the any instruction. We have to return to our origin place. જ્યાંથી આપણે suppose this is the 6 number instruction, we have jumped up to 1 number instruction. After the execution of 1 number instruction, we have to jump again to the 6 number instruction. That's why this return is required. So there is a two types of return. One number is a unconditional and the second number is the conditional. So this is the branch instructions that we have studied. Okay, so jump instruction is a program. What is the jump? So first we are going to discuss about the unconditional jump. આપણે પહેલા શું જોઈશું? Unconditional jump. First we will discuss about the unconditional jump. Okay, what it uses? It uses the unconditional jump that uses the program. First we are going to discuss about the definition. The program sequence is transferred to memory location specified by 16-bit address or label given in the operand. What is the unconditional jump? In an unconditional jump, the program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by 16-bit address or label. Suppose that you have studied already in the C programming. Suppose I have a program move A to B, MVI A32H, then move A to M. Okay, this is the program. Then suppose I use here jump JMP. This is the mnemonic. JMP is the unconditional jumps mnemonic. Okay, JMP 2032H. Okay, and suppose this is our memory location 2032H. This is 2033H. This is 2034H. So whenever after the execution of this first, second and third instruction, the sequence of the execution is transferred at here, because there is instruction jump 2032H. It is jumps without any condition. અહીંયા કોઈ પણ જાતની condition મૂકવામાં આવેલી નથી. That's why it is transferred to this 2032H. Again, first, second and third, again it is jump, again it is jump, again it is jump. So the branching is continuously occurred. Branching કેવું થાય છે? Continuously થાય છે. So this is known as a 16-bit address. You can write here. The second thing is that you can place here the label. Suppose this is the second number instruction. Whenever you want to write any label, you have to write here label, then put colon. Okay, in the label you can put any name. અહીંયા લેબલની જગ્યાએ તમે કોઈ પણ નામ લખી શકો છો, but you cannot use any mnemonic. આપણે એની અંદર કોઈ પણ mnemonic જે આપણે MALP માં ઉપયોગ કરવાના છે, whatever the mnemonics are used in a 8085, that cannot be used. Suppose see the next program, move AB MVI A32H, move AM, and suppose I have a label here, okay, that XYZ. Okay, then this is the label. Okay, now I write here JMP XYZ. So whenever this instruction comes, the control is transferred to this XYZ and start the execution from this XYZ label. Okay, here we are using to address, here we are using label. The label is easy distinguished. The label is many times used because we don't know from which address the execution is started. If we are put here a label, that can be easily distinguished કે ક્યાંથી એ instruction execution start થાય છે. So whenever you want to use the branch instruction, then you have to use the label. Okay, તો આપણે એને લેબલનો ઉપયોગ કરીશું. So this is known as a unconditional jump. Okay, so what is the example of unconditional jump? So the examples are, we have to use mnemonic JMP, then 2034H. The second is JMP XYZ. What is 2034H? It's a 16-bit address jump. Okay, and this is the label. One thing remember, that whenever you want to insert the label, you have to write your label name and then put here colon. This is known as a colon. આપણે અહીંયા colon નો compulsory ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. Okay, now we are going to the conditional jump. The next part of the jump is the conditional jump. Okay, so first, what is the meaning of conditional jump? Because it use the condition. Okay, so whenever we want to use any condition, in a condition we have to use the flag register. આપણે શેનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે? Flag register નો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. In the flag register we have to use the PSW. શેનો ઉપયોગ કરીશું? PSW, that is the program status word. It has a 5 flags. The first is the carry flag, then 0 flag, then sign flag, then parity flag, and then auxiliary carry flag. These are the 5 flags in the PSW that you have already studied in a unit number 1. So on these 5 flags we are using here this 4 flag as a condition. These 4 flags are known as a conditional flag. Okay, so these conditional flags are used. Okay, so first, what is the conditional jump? The conditional jump is the, first we are going to discuss the definition. The program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by 16-bit address when condition given is true. When the sequence is transferred whenever the given condition is true. જ્યારે પણ આપેલી condition સાચી હશે તો જ એ transfer થશે. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of condition. The first is a JC. The meaning of JC is jump if carry flag is equal to 1. When it jumps when carry flag is equal to 1. The second is jump JNC. So jump if no carry, means the CY flag is equal to 0. Here the CY flag is equal to 1. When it jumps when CY is equal to 1. When it jumps when CY is equal to 0. The next is jump if positive. So jump if positive. The given number is a positive. How we can know the number is positive or negative? Using the sign flag. When the S is equal to 0, then the given number is the positive. When S is equal to 1, the given number is negative. The next is a JM. JM means jump if minus, means S is equal to 1. The next is jump JZ. It's a jump if 0. JZ means jump if 0. Means Z flag must be 1. Okay. The meaning of Z flag is equal to 1 means the contents of the accumulator, all the contents of the accumulator is a 0. Okay. The next, jump if not 0. So jump if not 0 means the value of z is equal to 0. The value of z is equal to 0. Same jump if parity is even. Jump if parity even means p is equal to 1. What is the meaning of parity? Parity means number of ones in a accumulator. Accumulator ની અંદર number of ones ની સંખ્યા if it is the number of 1 is equal to even, then it is known as a even parity. If the number of ones is a odd, then it is known as a odd parity. અને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? odd parity કહેવામાં આવે છે. So if p is equal to 1 means it is the even parity. If p is equal to 1 means it is the even parity. Whenever the even parity, the number of ones in a given register is a even. Okay. And next, last is a jump parity is odd. So jump if parity odd. So value of the p is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the different types of conditional jumps you have given. What is the conditional jump? The program sequence is transferred to the memory location specified by 16-bit address when condition given is true. Here in place of 16-bit address you can use the label. જેમ આપણે unconditional jump માં label જોયા તો એ લેબલનો પણ આપણે અહીંયા ઉપયોગ કરી શકીએ છીએ. So you can use here either 16-bit address or a label, but it is easy to use the label. લેબલનો ઉપયોગ કરવો easy છે rather than using the 16-bit address. Again, when conditional jump is transferred, whenever the condition given is a true. આપેલી condition જો સાચી હશે તો જ એ data transfer થશે. Otherwise it doesn't transfer. In a C language we have studied the do while loop or the while loop. Okay, in the while loop it is used that whenever the condition is true the program is transferred, otherwise it doesn't transfer. Okay, whatever while is the conditional jump and the go to statement you have studied in the C program. The go to statement is the unconditional jump. Go to statement ની અંદર કોઈ પણ જાતની condition check કરવામાં આવતી નથી, but in the while statement it uses the condition. જો if condition સાચી હશે તો જ એ ડેટાનો સિક્વન્સ તેને પ્રોગ્રામનો ટ્રાન્સફર કરવામાં આવે છે, અધરવાઇઝ ઇટ ડઝન્ટ ટ્રાન્સફર. એ ટ્રાન્સફર કરતું નથી. So we have used here the 8 types of condition. The first is the jump if carry is equal to 1 means CY flag must be 1. Okay, CY is equal to 1. Okay, when jump if not carry means CY is equal to 0. Jump if positive means sign flag must be 0. Jump if minus, sign flag must be 1. Jump if 0 means 0 flag must be 1. Jump if not 0, 0 flag must be a 0. Jump if parity is even means the value of the p in the PSW is must be 1. And jump parity is odd, then the p is equal to 0. So this is the different types of conditional jump we have studied. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to discuss about the call. The call instruction is the same as the jump instruction. Okay, it is also transferred to the next location, but in the call instructions we have to use the return. આપણે એની અંદર return નો ઉપયોગ કરવો પડે છે. What is the meaning of call? The call is used whenever you want to use some program various time. કોઈ એક પ્રોગ્રામ છે એની અંદર આપણે જો એને વારંવાર ઉપયોગ કરવો હોય તો આપણે call instruction નો ઉપયોગ કરીએ છીએ. Okay, so that is known as a call instruction. We will study in the next lecture. Jai Swaminarayan.